morning, you guys. Today. We're leaving Iceland, going to the Faroe Islands. The boat already arrived at the port. We already packed up. Met Christoph from Austria and we're going to the ferry together now. Alright, let's do this. Alright. 1 month in Iceland. 1 month. We did it. Let's turn around. Okay. Christoph leads the way. Yeah, he mostly stuck to the main roads because, yeah, this bike is not made for off-road. All this. So cool. Look at the church. Beautiful. All right. They're all waiting here. Oh yeah. Waiting here. Okay. Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, fine. Let's do Tórshavn.
Okay.
Awesome.
To Faroe Islands. This is your cabin key.
Mhm.
You have to keep this one.
Yeah.
And if I can just have you park right next to the bike.
The first one?
Yeah, the first bike.
Yeah, right next to it.
Yeah, it's because you're the only two going to Faroe Islands.
All right. Cool.
So, yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Just next to the start of the sidewalk, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, the
I just-
mountain bike.
Next to the mountain bike.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, now I got you. Because they're all bikes.
Yeah, sorry.
No
My
problem.
bad.
No, it's okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'll do that. Ja, Christoph. Wir sehen uns ja auf dem Boot. Alright. Hi. You going to Faroe Islands? We're the two people that go there. Yeah. 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 No. We're the only ones. None of them. Alrighty. Ciao. Tórshavn? Ja. Already broke my thing here. Okay. Goodbye, Iceland. Gonna miss you. Hello. Hello. Yep, we get our special spot. All right. So it seems like we're the only motorbike. Cool. Alrighty. Bike down very tight, so shouldn't fall over. Should be. I'll pop in here too. Right, let's get to the roots. Guys, I really don't think I'm made for boats. I feel so sick. And the boat is going. Anyways, finished up yesterday's video. And now we have 3 hours. Then it will be 2 o'clock in the morning, Faroe time. And then we have to leave the cabin and go to the bike and then off to the Faroe Islands. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I'll have to find a campground or something. There's no phone reception for me because it's not part of the EU and roaming would cost a lot of money, so we'll have to figure something out. But anyways, I see you on the bike. It's 3 in the morning and we have to leave this boat. The bus is not leaving, so we have to up. Yeah. So we didn't sleep, so we go to the campground now. Plus, I didn't think of that, it is dark here. It's so weird now. We had a month only day and now it's dark here. So yeah, I'll definitely go to the campground now because I don't drive at night. I don't like it. Okay, yeah, and we definitely stay the day. Just check out that beautiful city tomorrow or today. So there's not so many streets here, so I know I have to go right and then I will find the camp. All right, man. It's that way, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. All right. See you in a bit. So he's also gonna say, man, that is a beautiful city. I can already tell. So cool. I'm so sad it's dark now. So I guess the camping should be here somewhere. Yeah. The camping. Okay. Guess we put our tent up right here. Good morning, guys. How are you doing? I'm here in Tórshavn in the Faroe Islands. I arrived very early in the morning. The boat came here at 3 and yeah, so we couldn't really see much of the city. So we're gonna do that today, checking out the place, and I can already tell it's very, very beautiful here. Guys, what a great town, Tórshavn. Really cool. We're gonna stick around for a while, something to eat and try local beer. It's supposed to be very good. Yeah, I see you guys back on the road. Thank you for watching and thanks for subscribing, and see you tomorrow.